Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangelina, your sugar baby. Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another unboxing guys. Okay, so let's see what's inside in 3, 2, 1. Let's enjoy first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Liabi. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Liabi.
I have a pair of scissors and let's see. Okay, so inside we have ta-da! Another set of lunchbox, guys. Ayan, lunchbox with bag. Ayan. Ito naman, sa amin dalawa mag-asawa. Kasi, soon, since the kids will be eating at school, kami naman may chance na kumain sa field. So, imbis na kumain sa labas, like carinderia or fast food, since nakapagluto naman ako ng morning, magbabaon na lang kami. Alright, so this is our lunchbox. Yung sa mga bata, it's the same, but smaller. This one is bigger, guys. So, same pa rin na 2 compartment. Upon opening, ganito siya, guys. May lid siya dito, guys, for, para hindi mag-leak yung mga, parang may takip, ayan. Kung may sabaw, ayan, naka-cover. Ayan, hindi siya magli-leak. So, ganito siya. Meron din siyang ditong small hole. And then, taran! So, ito yung lagayan ng ulam or ng rice. Depende kung mas madami yung rice or mas madami yung ulam. And dito is the second compartment. Much bigger. Same din. May, ayan, ang takip para mag-insulated siya. And then, actually, this is insulated. Para mag-vacuum sealed siya. And then, pag i-open na ganito, and then tanggalin yung lid. And ito yung mas malaking compartment. Ayan. So, dito pwede ilagay yung rice, or dito yung rice, and dito yung ulam. Depende sa inyo kung mala-ulam ba kayo or mala-rice. Ganun. So, dalawang set to, guys. Isa sa akin at isa sa aking palalabs na husband. O, diba? Siyempre, alagang-alaga tayo. Alagang-alaga natin ang ating asawa. So, this is the lunchbox. And, ito naman yung bag. I think same pa rin sa mga kids. Yeah, looks the same. Pero wala siyang panlalagyan ng parang small pocket. Madaya, walang small pocket. Pero ganun siya. Ayan. So, kasyang-kasya pa rin yung ating lunchbox dito. Tada! O, diba? Ang cute ng lunchbox and lunch bag. So, yung kulang na lang is yung utensils. Bibili na lang ako na pwedeng ilagay dito sa loob ng ating lunchbox. Alright, so yeah, that was all guys for today's video. If you're interested to buy one of these guys, ayan, isang set na to na binili ko. Bag with lunchbox. So, If you're interested to buy one of these guys, just DM me on my Facebook page, Leah B 2.0 or Leah B 3.0 so I can give you the link. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Love, love, love.